So we're gonna rate the popping. So the popping's super good. Like it's actually really good. It makes a satisfying sound. Like well, I rate this like
6.7.
10.
6.7.
Okay, need camera. Okay, let's see. Voila! This is one of these things.
I'm not opening my eyes.
Is that mine or is that yours?
I don't know. No, it's mine.
Okay, open it.
I can't.
Here, take the camera. I can probably open it. There. Now squish it. We'll do a squish test. Like. Okay, wait. Can I squish it?
I love it.
Yeah, this is actually really satisfying. Okay, so next one. Here, hold the camera. Okay. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. Ta-da. Look at this stress ball. It's like this pink and like it's like this. This stress ball's so sticky yet it's so sticky. Look, it's not coming out of the bag. It's so sticky. Look, okay, there. Like, look at it. And I think there's like some type of divisor. Like, look at the gel in the middle.
Let me see.
Oh, wait, it has a hole in it already? Okay, wait, that's not Norby. Thank God.
Let me see.
Because I think it might have been a leftover Orby.
It's actually kind of sticky. Wait, I think it's meant for like globble. Throw it to the wall.
Okay, wait, no, I'm going to throw it out the window. Okay, chill. Record me. Do not try this at home. Wait, what? I think there might be a hole at the bottom. If there is, it's such a ripoff. Okay, ready? Definitely a globble. This is like a globble.
Stick is 3. Ew.
Like the needle, like this it's sort of like a needle.
Okay, well it's my turn to pull out something, so I'm just gonna stick it in the bag.
Okay.
And
Yeah, you gotta close the camera up, Irie.
okay.
You
So
got
I got a chainsaw.
Okay. I just want to try something really quickly.
I got this also at
We got all these fidgets at Tinker Toys.
yes. Oh, it's a global too. My
Okay,
What?
I think this is long deserved. Okay, play. So what's your rating on those?
I don't think it's that good.
Okay,
I'm
I
gonna-
told you it was a
I'm
waste of fucking money. Just because of the color. So we're gonna start. We're gonna make a big. We're gonna make a bath for our kids. We have to clean it, Iris. It's getting sticky because it's on the floor. Okay, we're gonna. So the bath, we're gonna get my soap, and yes, I customized this for soap. Got the water. I'm gonna mix it all before soap. Hey, Irie, can you pour the soap in? The soap with the label? I'm cleaning it since it fell on the floor. You want a dirty fidget? Okay, Irie, can you grab the soap and put some more soap in? No, soap. The soap. That's not soap. The soap is right over there. The Legos. It's a purple one. So look at it.
Why did you put Legos in there?
Because it looked cool, and I've seen it on YouTube. So
Cool. Wait, we have to. Whoa! I almost fell in the water.
crazy.
Wait.
Well, look how satisfying this is. Okay, we'll make a part 2 and see how it works. Because we're testing these with water for the first time, so I hope this doesn't ruin them.
How do I turn on the bath water?
That's the heat. Okay, now we're gonna let it set. Okay, let's choose out the next fidget. Okay, Irie, come on. Okay. Last fidget. There's one more fidget. Irie! Last fidget, we gotta open it. Okay, I pulled it out. Had to cover the camera because I'm currently alone. And ta-da! Okay, ready? For the reveal. This is one that we already have one of these fidgets. You've already seen one of these fidgets. That's a hint. So comment down below what you think this is. No cheating. No, this is such a cheapskate. Oh my god. I'm so upset.
It's good.
No, look, I actually broke this.
Ew.
It's like attachable.
Wait, that's actually kind of cool.
So, 3, 2, 1, tangle. Okay, so these tangles are sort of like a ripoff. They're not actually good fidgets at all.
You have to go practice.
These fidgets are so bad.
You have to
So
go
now we have to go practice cello and violin. I'll leave a video on that one. Bye.